I'm Sue Gerber, and I am the Northwestern OBGYN Residency Program Director, and I have been shepherding the Histerhood through their medical training from when they were baby interns all the way through to graduation. It is my second favorite time of year, semi-annual reviews.
Please don't say anything mean.
I was never really good at being a baby intern. I've been ready to be a generalist for like quite a while.
So what's been the biggest challenge with the Histerhood? It's probably their big personalities.
Being in the Histerhood is an identity. It is sacred.
Histerhood, Histerhood, hashtag 11. 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 Histerhood, Histerhood, hashtag.
I can't believe they would do this to us.
It's a complete lack of respect.
You don't have to be the loudest one to be the smartest one.
I know you guys are really busy and understaffed, but this patient was literally transferred here over the weekend just so she could get this IR drain. No, I know, but she would really appreciate... Hello? Hello? They just fucking hung up on me!
This is Dr. Mary Tate. How can I be of service? Very good, very good. Excellent, excellent. Very good. Okay, bye-bye.
Nobody ever fucking answers their inbox results.
You never know. Maybe they're busy. Sometimes the best way to keep the peace is to say nothing. Honestly, this place is so toxic. If I didn't love it so much, I would definitely hate it.
I'm Carly.
I'm Patrick.
And I'm Mary, and we're your administrative chiefs. CPM for short.
It has been such an honor to lead the residency through such challenging times. Despite COVID, tragedies, staffing issues, and maternity leaves, I've been so inspired by my co-residents.
If anything, this experience has taught me that everyone is allergic to work.
This job has taught me so many things and given me so many opportunities. But the most important lesson is that I will never be doing another job without being appropriately compensated again.
The greatest strength of our program is the combination of the resident experience at Prentice Women's Hospital and Stroger Hospital.
Prentice and Stroger are both so amazing, but so different. Prentice I would describe as a high school. You have your cliques, you have your jocks, you have your plastics.
Can't sit with us.
And there's always a couple queen bees. But not everyone can be the homecoming queen. Stroger, I would say, is more like a awkward family reunion. You have your kind of crazy uncle that says outlandish things, but you love him.
The patient will have the cleanest vagina in the world.
And it's pretty dysfunctional. Not always working the way you want it to. But somehow still feels like home.
We're pregnant!
like 2 days and 3 hours apart. We like to keep things well planned. I'm so excited to experience this pregnancy with you. We're gonna tell everyone at the same time, right? Baby Bonus is so happy because Teddy's getting back from skiing in the mountains. He's training for the Ironman, and Tilly's training for the triathlon. I'm pretty sure something terrible is gonna happen. I mean, I check my blood pressure 16 times per day. Carly ultrasounds me twice a week, and she's 30 weeks and still breech.
Still breech. This little fetus has a lot of names. Oh, this is supposed to be. Ow, my back really hurts. I really need a foot massage.
Are you gonna get that?
Yeah, Daniel will give me a foot massage later.
Poison it, and it's fine.
Ooh, Mama needs a rest.
Baby Bonus is a girl, but we're not telling people her name.
Baby Shore's gonna be a surprise baby.
Hi
Hey,
Daddy.
it is a boy. It's a boy.
What do you think?
It's a boy because it's pointed.
Oh, I think you're having a boy. I can see. Oh, from my... Yeah, you're having a boy. That's good. Congratulations.
Yeah, gender's a construct.
Honestly, I just think everything's really gonna be fine. It's not like I have a cloud or anything. God damn it, Rachel. Be honest. Do you think I have a cloud?
Still breech. My favorite rotation was backup, obviously. I was so productive.
Being a chief has been challenging. It's been really hard to get our residents to play backup.
I would love to. I really would. I'm just like really busy right now.
Honestly, I think it would be most fair if we were all paid to do backup.
I'm not doing it.
Yeah, it's been a tough year.
Still breech.
Did you say breach? You know, I made an ECP calculator for this.
So have you gotten your S-split labs measured for preeclampsia?
No. Jordan, why would you even say that? Like, Daniel!
Wait, did someone say breach? You know, I made an ECP calculator.
Literally nobody said breach. This baby is not breach. Get out of here. Daniel, God. Oh my god, the baby's breach! There's lightning outside! Say
Did
something!
you say breach? No,
yes.
let's try an ECP. I made a calculator for that.
You did?
She's breech! Ya hate to see it!
Let's try an ECV. You know, I made a calculator for that.
One of the ways that I cope with the stresses of residency is by baking. Even before or after a hard day, I always try to find time to bake something for my team.
Is it level? Sorry. Okay. Happy winter solstice.
I brought cookies! Oh, looks like someone had a rough night. Happy Tour de France Day!
Is that something you celebrate?
I celebrated ever since I got engaged in Paris.
Alright, it's a cord, guys! It's a cord! Okay, or four.
But I brought cake! Just a little something, you know?
Still breech. I promise this is gonna work.
I just don't really feel like people really understand me here. Like, everybody just can't get past that one experience from intern year. Like, I really don't understand why they just can't get over it.
Okay. Hey Rachel, how'd the C-section go? I really can't speak to it.
Honestly, I don't know how this class copes with stress.
I mean, if I don't throw up after a workout, was it even worth it?
20 seconds, we're gonna have resistance.
But she believe in shoes and cars. What stars in the room apartment? Cool talk from the stores department.
Take a deep breath in.
More like love stars.
Exhale.
It's all the berries.
Everyone has different strengths. They are all special in their own way.
Sometimes people say they're a little afraid of how much they love me.
I know I'm like special, but I'm not like Patrick special, you know what I mean?
When's Patrick coming back?
Where's Dr. Patrick?
I miss Dr. Patrick. Hey, I know you're not Dr. Patrick. Where's Dr. Patrick? We miss him. Where is he? We miss him. Where?
Who do I rely on the most in that class for emotional support? Emalantos.
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 Emalantos. I love your shirt. Where'd you get it?
Oh, I made it. It's 1 off the 12. Oh, thank you so much, you silly. Give me a hug.
Merlin, they've been feeding him, thinking he was pregnant. No, he's not pregnant. He's just fat.
We can be a little intense when it comes to patient care.
But did you do a pelvic exam? Why is this patient on scheduled tramadol? Don't you know that drug is toxic?
But is she on Lovenox? Maybe we should scan her.
Placentas are the enemy. They're just the worst.
Pregnancy is so dangerous. People die every day.
I feel a little bad for whoever's going to be on my OM team, because I'm going to steal all the hits. So Barbara or day tomorrow.
That is a literal wackadoo plan.
Hey Jordan, what are you doing?
I'm making some major corrections in this book right here. So medical training reminds me of the classic Greek tragedies, the most famous one being the Greek god Kronos. He basically devours his young to keep from losing his power.
Jordan, I have no idea what you're talking about.
73.50, right? Go back. We had a.
Wait, Carly, how many pairs of figs do you own?
You know, some people think I'm bougie. I'm actually quite modest. Oh, these nails? Weekly then.
Make it stream, I don't public, make a scene. I don't cook, I don't clean, but let me tell you, I got this ring. Gobble me, swallow me, drip down the side.
Team drinks is such an important tradition. I look forward to team drinks weeks in advance. So we're doing karaoke for team drinks, which is like not my favorite, but I do love a microphone.
You're so vain. I really think this song is about you. You're so vain. I really think this song is about you.
I don't know why people don't want to be at L&D with me.
I don't know why I'm here, but I do like karaoke.
Another one bites the dust. the dust. And another one gone, and another one gone. Another one bites the dust.
I just really don't want to fucking do this right now.
A fool to do your dirty work. Oh yeah. I don't want to do your dirty work no more.
I'm just here for the wine, but I'm not singing.
Dr. Gerber, how do you feel about this class graduating?
Early morning yesterday, I was up before dawn, and I really have enjoyed my stay, but I must be moving on. Without my behavior, that'll never bother me. Say the devil is my savior, but I don't pay no heed. And I will go out shining, it's shining like brand new. I'll never look behind me, my troubles will be few. Goodbye, stranger, it's been nice. Hope you find while we're down. Try to see one of you. Hope you drive me home and dream. Goodbye, baby. Goodbye, dear. Will we ever meet again? Feel no sorrow, feel no shame. Come tomorrow, feel no pain. Sweet devotion, not for me. Just give me motion. You set me free. Let the ocean far away. The life I've chosen every day. Now I'm leaving. Got to go. Hit the road. I say it once again. Oh yes, I'm leaving. Got to go. Got to go. I'm sorry, I must tell you. Goodbye, Mary. Goodbye, Jane. Will we ever meet With a taste of your lips, I'm on a ride. Another one bites the dust.